Hi everyone, I'm Samidha Hegde. I'm interning with LEXIS and Company. I'm a third year law student studying in Ramaya College of Law, Bangalore. And today I'm going to be explaining about Articles of Association under Companies Act 2013. So this is mentioned under Section 5 of Companies Act deals with Articles of Association. So basically, Articles of Association is that document which contains rules, regulations, bylaws uh, for the management of the company. This is a very important, it's a very crucial document for because it affects the internal affairs and internal management of the company. uh, it is it is literally acts as a rule book, a guide, like a handbook for the organization, and it also defines the purpose and strategies to accomplish the company's long term and short term goals. And Articles of Association is subordinate to Memorandum of Association, and it should always be in consonance with Memorandum of Association. That is, it should go hand in hand with Memorandum of Association. It cannot be in contravention or conflict with the Memorandum of Association. In case there is anything in the Articles of Association that is conflicting with the Memorandum of Association, then remember that always Memorandum of Association will prevail over Articles of Association. The basic objective, the whole objective of Articles of Association is to accomplish the objectives of Memorandum of Association. So let's see what are the purposes for which an Articles of Association is adopted. So to operate the daily activities of the company properly, for explaining the rules and regulations of the company's internal functions, for capital distribution of the company based on company's classification of shares, to explain provisions of Memorandum of Association of the company, to explain powers, functions, duties of the directors of the company, to determine financial and non-financial obligations of the company, to integrate meetings, minutes, notices, etc., to reserve the security of company's seal or logo, to determine dividend policy of the company, to determine the mode of winding up or dissolution of the company. Then we have can Articles of Association be altered once they are made? Yes, they can be altered. They can be altered at any time, but by passing a special resolution. And also, once such a alteration has been made by passing special resolution, it has to be filed with the registrar of the company within 30 days after such alteration has been made by passing special resolution. But for this, certain conditions have to be kept in mind. What are those conditions? That is, the whatever alteration has been proposed, it should not be in contravention of the Companies Act. It should not be in contravention of Memorandum of Association. It should not be made for it should not be made to give effect to some illegal purpose. And it should be made with bona fide intention for the benefit of the company. And it also all alterations have to be made by passing a special resolution. And it can also any alteration can also be done by giving retrospective effect, that is, by giving effect to something that in the past, to any resolution passed in the past. And also, the courts do not have any power to order alteration of Articles of Association. So basically, Articles of Association is a very crucial document that provides rules and regulations of the company, and also it defines the relationship of the shareholders, um, shareholders between the company and the provisions of articles of association are binding on all the members of the company and the company itself. If anyone wants to enter into an agreement with the company, they have to know the articles of association. They have to be aware of articles of association of the company, because all the actions of the company are limited within the sphere of articles of association. And if they know all the if they are aware of articles of association of company, then they can enforce the contract, the agreement that are entered between the company and the members in court of law. And even if there is default on the part of the members, the company also has the right to sue the members. So both the members and the company can sue if there is uh, any to enforce any agreements that are in that are not in alignment with the articles of association. So I hope you understood today's video. I've also made several other videos. Do check them out. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel and press the notification button for more updates. Thank you.